Hello, in today's video I will show you how to add features image in your WordPress post. First log in and go to post section and all posts and post and click the first one test, and here settings option, and here one option is features image. Click and set features image. I choose this one and set features image and update. My post name is test. Browse this one, add the features image. Next is demo. Same way we add the features image in every post. Refresh and add the features image. This way you add features image in your WordPress post. Thank you.